Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, December 2nd. I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full down analysis. But also don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the pound yen, I still think that this is very likely an ABC of 4 that we're looking at, and eventually it probably will end up going back up to make a wave 5, which will most likely complete this very clear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, we do have to be a little careful because this could end up being like a running wave B and then go up and like that before it actually does go down. On the time scale, it would possibly make more sense for it to look like that. So definitely got to keep that in mind. Going down to the daily time frame, now the trend is definitely down right now. We are making lower lows, lower highs. So I'm definitely looking for sorts on sort of time frames. I'm watching these Fibonacci levels for areas of resistance, areas where we possibly get a bounce. But as long as it continues the lower low, lower high series on these higher time frames, I definitely will continue to look for sorts on sort of time frames. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame, I personally wouldn't be trying to go short now. I would have tried to go short here, I would have tried to go short there, here, and here. But in order to go short now, I need to see a nice proper pullback. I need to see like 3 waves up and pulse it down. If I do see that, then I definitely will take it as another entry for the continuation of the downtrend. Taking it all the way down to the 1 hour time frame, very sideways market the last few days of the week last week, more probably because of the US holiday. Now, like I said, I need to see a proper pullback to go short, so I need to see like something like this. I need to see some sort of a 3 wave move, and then I need to see a very clear, impulsive, engulfing move to the downside, preferably at a Fibonacci retracement of this last push down. So if you do see some sort of a 3 wave pattern up like this, and then a nice engulfing move to the downside with a breaker structure, then that definitely would be the entry that I would be waiting for to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.